Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Rahman and today we are going to talk about, as you can see again, Kishu Inu. But it's because I got some really good updates and want to share some real genuine stuff with you guys. It will be about Ambassador also and some really big updates and a competition which is going to be really massive for Kishu Inu. We will talk about these stuff in this video. And before starting the video, I hope you guys liked my shirt here, Billionaire Bitcoin We Trust. And before starting the video, I just want to mention the group I am running. Not only me, I have a whole team, the professionals in it. It's a signal group. You get a lot of signals there in a day, 5 to 7 signals. And it's going great. Like, it's just started some days ago and you will get like free signals for 7 days. Only then you can join the paid group, which will be like $15 a month. So must try it. The link will be in the description box. I just wanted to mention that because I'm a part of it also and I have to promote it or mention it. So other than that, let's talk about Kishu Inu. But before going on that, let's take a look at the market. You can see Bitcoin is on 45,000. 45.4k, minus 1% down. It's not going so much down. That's a relaxing part here. Ethereum is on 3.1k. It touched 3.2k, I guess 3,200 something, 260. The last time I saw it was pumping so good. And altcoins are doing so good, and so is the Bitcoin. And now let's take a look at Kishu Inu, which is, you can see it's staying there like last time I saw. Minus 1% down, not up, and it's staying there, not going up, not going down. That's a good thing. It's not actually dipping or anything, because there are even altcoins which are in a dip in this type of time. So Kishu Inu is staying stable there. That's really a great sign to see. Price went up a little bit, but now it's still there. It's not going down or nor even going up too. And now let me talk about the news I wanted to share with you guys in this video, and that is, there is a cup going on. I mentioned in one of my previous video, but this is getting serious. A Bitforex cup is going on. You can check out their Bitforex Twitter page. I will link it in my description box. You have to follow them. And what's the special thing about the cup? There are a lot of meme coins there who are participating in it. Shiba, SafeMoon, SafeMars, I don't know. There are a lot. You can see the list here. Baby Dogecoin, all the famous ones. Even Dogecoin, the biggest of them all. And our Kishu Inu also. I'm saying our Kishu Inu because a lot of holders watching this, a lot of people who support Kishu Inu watching this. So the next competition of Kishu Inu is going to be Kishu Inu already beat, I think, you can see here, SafeMars. Kishu Inu beat SafeMars easily. But now the thing is, Kishu Inu is going to have a competition with Shiba Inu, and it will be really important. And all of us can make Kishu Inu win and make an upset. It will be an upset because Shiba is such a big coin and winning all the matches with a lot of margin. And if Kishu Inu is able to beat Shiba Inu in this cup, even though this is not a small cup, you can see Bitforex got like 54.4k followers, and the prize is going to be big also. But other than the prize, it will make a big impact if Kishu Inu got this. Take Shiba down, because Shiba is already big. If Shiba win from Kishu Inu, it's nothing interesting. It's nothing so big. But if Kishu did something like that, upset, it's gonna be so huge. And Kishu Inu team, Kishu Inu army is so pumped up about it. So I'm just letting you know that when the competition start, go follow Bitforex. You will know about it. So you have to show your power. Retweet, like that Kishu post. You will see when once you check out Bitforex page, you will know how to do it and what's the procedure. All you have to do is retweet like the Kishu Inu post and stuff like that. So it's gonna be huge. If you are a Shiba Inu supporter, then obviously support Shiba Inu. I'm just saying that because a lot of people who support Kishu Inu and Kishu Inu holders are watching this video. So must check out Bitforex and their Twitter page. It's gonna be massive. And the other news is about, you can see the tweet here on your screen. Kishu is going to be at Massive Red Sox SOX versus Texas Rangers. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrect because I don't know these teams or even cities. Texas Ranger game on Sunday 22nd August in Massachusetts, whatever it is. You can see that on your screen, USA. And if you live near this place or If you can go there, must go there. Kishu Inu team will be there. They are handing out 25,000 free Kishu branded towels to everyone. So go grab yours if you are living near this place, and you can go. This is going to be really great, and maybe the ambassador is linked with something like that. I don't know. I'm just guessing out of nowhere. Like maybe the ambassador is going to be is someone from baseball, or even I saw people guessing it's gonna be Mike Tyson. Don't know. We don't know yet. They have not announced anything. They are just, people are guessing randomly in the comment sections, in the group chats. So this was the major thing I wanted to share in this video. And don't forget to follow that BitForex page. Some really great matches are going on there, and also you can vote for whatever coin you want, your favorite meme coin. But the major thing is Kishu will clash with Shiba Inu now in the next round, and it will be really huge. If Kishu win, it will be a big upset. It's just like World Cup is going on for meme coins. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.